All right, we're going to go ahead now and do this example, and it's all the same steps that we've been doing before. Just this one right here is, okay, so what is the difference between now when it has opposite denominators? But really, you're going to see that it's the same process, and so let's just go and check it out then, okay? Well, we see here that first of all, that we have to get a common denominator just like normal, and so this side is t minus 9. So that means this side needs a t minus 9, and so we'll multiply that top and bottom by t minus 9. And then this side needs a 9 minus t. So 9 minus t and a 9 minus t. And again, just to reiterate, the reason we do that is because now both of these have a 9 minus t, and they both have a t minus 9, giving now our lowest common denominator, okay? So everything should be over our common denominator of 9 minus t times t minus 9, okay? And then on top now we have t times 9 minus t. Okay, so that's t times this, plus 2, right here, 2 times t minus 9. All right, so if we just do some simplifying in the numerator, I'm going to multiply this through. So I get 9t minus t squared. And then right here, 2t, we get 2t. And then minus 18. Let's just keep working with this numerator, and then we'll put it back over our common denominator. If I put this in descending order of a negative t squared plus 11t, so I combine those two guys together, and I get negative 18. Okay, let's just actually factor this first right now. Oh, that's actually not what I wanted to do there. So if I could put that back. Okay, there we go. So now, if I factor, so when we factor this, we don't normally want to have a negative coefficient. We always want this to be positive. So let's just factor out a negative 1, which means that that's going to change all of these signs. So now it becomes t squared minus 11t plus 18. And if you're not sure this is correct, if you just multiply negative 1 back through to each term, you should get back your original equation up here. If we continue factoring this now, so we have negative 1 times, if I factor this, this is going to be a t, let's see, 9 and 2, right? So minus 9 and t minus 2. Let's just make sure that gives you positive 18 when I multiply, and add them and get negative 11. Okay, good. So all this divided by our common denominator of 9 minus t and t minus 9. All right, great. So now we can go ahead and cross cancel things out. So our t minus 9s cross out. And basically all we have left now is negative 1 times t minus 2 all over 9 minus t. I guess you could technically leave it like this. Normally, like you would just distribute that that negative sign and get negative t plus 2 all over 9 minus t. You can leave it like that. Also, mathematics convention is normally we don't want a negative in the beginning, so you could just flip those two guys. So now it's 2 minus t all over 9 minus t. But these are all the same. They're just rewriting things around, but basically any one of those will do.